Hello everyone, this is Bansri Moore from UCA Tarsadia University and I am here to brief you about Civil Engineering branch. In this video, we shall address the following points regarding civil engineering like importance of civil engineering, what is the scope of civil engineering, what are the eligibility criteria to get admission into civil engineering, etc. So let's start with importance of civil engineering. One of the oldest and broadest engineering disciplines, civil engineering involves planning, designing, constructing, maintaining, and supervising infrastructure, which includes facilities essential to modern life like highways, bridges and tunnels, schools, hospitals, airports, and other buildings, sewage system, and water treatment facilities, etc. Now, let us discuss the scope of civil engineering. In a developing country like India, the scope of civil engineering is particularly immense as there is a vast potential of upcoming infrastructure projects and other civil engineering related works. Talking about global scenario, the demand of civil engineers remains steady and is expected to grow particularly in Gulf and Oceania region. According to a new research report by Global Market Insights, the civil engineering market size is expected to grow up to USD 11.72 trillion by 2025. Now, let us move to career options and future prospect after civil engineering. Civil engineers have a luxury to work in plethora of diverse fields upon completion of their studies, the most common being the role of a site engineer, construction engineer, or a planning engineer in a building project, hydel project, railways, airports, tunnel for both private and government institutions. Generally, the recruitment in these companies in the form of campus interview or by qualifying competitive exam like GATE, GPSC, UPSC, and other state exams. Those who wish to seek expertise in one of these specialized domain can choose to pursue post-graduation in any of the following field, namely water resource engineering, geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, infrastructural engineering, irrigation engineering, etc. And completing post-graduation in any of the domain will also open the door of research, design and consultancy firms and teaching professions. Now, this was all about civil engineering. Now we'll discuss qualification requirement for civil engineering. Those who wish to seek diploma in civil engineering, which is 3-year course, must have passed class 10. For bachelor's in civil engineering, which is 4-year course, the aspirant must have completed 12th standard in science stream, and an applicant with diploma in civil engineering can get direct entry in 2nd year in bachelor course. Chotubhai Gopalbhai Patel Institute of Technology under aegis of UCA Tarsadia University offers diploma and bachelor's in civil engineering and post-graduation in structural engineering, soil mechanics and foundation engineering and environmental engineering. Part-time and full-time research opportunities are also available in a university. If you believe you have aspiration and right aptitude to become successful civil engineer, our university offers a good platform to budding students to nurture them into technically proficient and ethically and morally sound engineers. I hope this video helps you in making an informed career decision, and for more details kindly visit our official website utu.ac.in, and in case of any query contact UTU admission team. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay happy.